everyone, it's me, yours, Tree Jungle, and welcome back to True Leisha Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-blooms. We are back for a reaction video for the Nations girl group for their ASAP comeback performance. Ito na nga ang BINI, yes, and of course congratulations sa kanilang award from Brazil, diba? Congratulations girls from their very successful BINIverse concert in Araneta. They are back on ASAP stage, and of course excited tayo dyan. But before we proceed guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Leisha Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Hey! Nakakanta nila. Christmas song. Hey! Black and red. Joy to the world. Wow! Wow! Si Ira. Si Colette ba yun? Sinong makapagsasabi na pwedeng ganituhin ang joy to the world? Yes, the BINI version. Yes, love it. Hey, mga blooms. Si Joanna. Ay, hindi. Oh my God, nakalimutan ko yung name niya. Gen Z version, no? Ito si Mika, ang ganda. Diba? Bukod sa bagong version ng Joy to the World, may pa-step din sila guys. Naman, the BINI way, diba? Oh, may rap! Oh, astig, eh! Eh! Diba? Tatlo pala nagra-rap sa kanila. Tatlo palang nagra-rap sa BINI, and naalala ko, nag-trending sila sa ABS-CBN Ball kasi yung costume nila, Noche Buena. Diba? Bongga yun. Grabe, may rap pa, no? Si Colette. Ooh. Pa-sweet naman si Malon. Grabe ang ingay ng mga blooms. Wow! Live vocals ba to? Cute! Feel good! There you have it guys, that is BINI performing Joy to the World, the rendition, the BINI way. Akalaim nilagyan nila ng rap sa gitna at Tagalog rap guys. And ngayon ko lang nalaman, tatlo pala ang nag-rap. Akala ko si Mika lang at si Joanna. Si Joanna ba maikli yung buhok guys? Pasensya na, hindi ko pa rin talaga makilala ang lahat ng mga pangalan nila. Kasi magkakamukha sila guys. Pero ang pinakilala ko dito si Maloy, si Colette, si Ira, at saka si Mika. Oo, yun. So may apat pa akong kailangan ma-memorize ko yung face nila para alam ko yung kung sino talaga sila dito. Pasensya na kayo mga ka-bloom. Sana yung naiintindihan ninyo. May nag-comment sa akin na reactan ko yung parang getting to know BINI. Nawala ko yung title. So hindi ko siya ma-search guys. Kaya comment down below ninyo para naman we get to know more BINI, diba? At syempre congratulations din sa kanila because they bag a lot of awards for the Awit Awards, di ba? Bongga talaga ang career ng Beanie this 2024. Nag-bloom talaga sila, di ba? Parang mga blooms. And of course, we're looking forward for a new year of success and more music from Beanie for 2025, di ba? At sasamahan niyo ako dyan, di ba? Pag may mga bago silang single, alam na natin yan, re-reactan natin yan dito sa True Asia Diaries. And of course, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.